then this Spring container will accept our what classes. That class is nothing but what, guys? That class is nothing but what? Bean classes, right? That class is nothing but what? Bean class. In the terminology of Bean, every classes we are saying that what, guys? Bean class, right? Bean class. Okay, so now fine. So what is that? This Spring container. What is the responsibility of a Spring container? What is the responsibility whenever we are giving the, but before Spring container, right? It's a Spring container asking two inputs, guys. Okay, Spring container is asking what? Spring container is asking what? Two inputs. What is those two inputs? What is the those Spring Bean, Spring Bean, and the second one is what? Spring what is that? Spring configuration. In Spring what is that? Config. Spring what? Config, right? These two file if we give, then our IOC container will start to work. Okay, na? Then our IOC container will start to work. And Spring configuration, we know that in Spring configuration can be XML. Okay, can be what? Can be what is that? Java. Can be what is that? Annotation, right? Annotation. But annotation is more mandatory, right? More important than anything else. Class and XML. Yes, Suraj. Correct. So same like, okay, these two input need to whom Spring container, right? These two inputs need to our Spring container. Then by taking this bean, right? By taking this bean, what Spring container responsibility is there, guys? What is the Spring container responsibility? Creating the object. It will first, by taking this bean, right? By taking this bean, Spring container will create the object of what? Our bean, right? After then what is that? After then what? It will provide the data, whatever data member is there, like we are taking, think about the private just employee ID, employee name. Then what is that? It will provide what? It will providing what is that? Providing what is that? A data object. Data to what? Object, right? Data to object. After then, if our class of, if this bean is there in the what? Is a relation between, what is that? Is a relation, right? So if our bean is interacting with what? Another bean, then what it will do? To link what is that? Link object to what? To another object, right? To another what? Object. It will link. After then, after completing this task, right? After completing this task, what last will happen? If our bean is executed successfully, then last will happen, what is that? A destruction. Means destroy the object, right? Last what will happen now? Destroying the object, right? So these many responsibility will take care of what? Our Spring container, right? Spring container, just think about that. Okay, I'm giving what as again. So this is the, think about that. This is the what? This is what? Our what? Spring container. Okay, this is what? Our Spring container. Okay, na? Which one working over the, what is that? JVM, right? Internally JVM is only, but Spring container, just think about that, one memory only, guys. Okay, one memory. Okay, so in this memory what will happen now, guys? Spring container, right? Spring container responsibility is what? Whenever it will take these two input, right? Beans and configuration. Based on bean configuration, it will create the object in the Spring container. In Spring container, it will create the object. After then next, what it will do now? It will check, our IOC container will check based on that what? Property configuration, right? Property configuration, it will provide to data. It will provide to data to our objects, right? It will provide the data to these objects, right? It will providing the data to these objects, right? After providing this object, if this object is connected to another object, right? If this object is connected, think about that, this is the one another object and this one is the another object, right? If this object means this bean is connected to another bean, depend on another bean, right? This dependent class is depending on another bean. Target are dependency, depend on other dependency. Then it will connect to this dependency, right? It will, our dependent class will depend connect to what, our dependency, right? Then after, then this is nothing but what is the linking. This is nothing but what, this step linking with one object to another object. After completing means all execution, all task, after completing all task, last what will happen now, this object will destroy our, what is that, Spring Container. Our Spring Container will destroy this object. Okay na? So this is the responsibility of what, this is the responsibility of what, our IOC container. Okay, this is the responsibility of what, our IOC container. Okay, so now, okay, so let's, but before, what is the, how we can write the class, and our this Spring Container will accept, we have need to learn what, we have need to learn what. Good afternoon, Manjulata. Everyone, good afternoon. Okay na? So how we can write it, how we can write it, some rules, right? So just think about that, is whenever we are going to any another home, right? Whenever we are there in our own home, right? In our own home, we are following our own house, what is that, our own home rules and the regulation to live in our home, right? So same like what will happen now, guys, if we are going to another person home, right? So what will happen now if we are going to another person room? Think about that. Just we are going to our friend room, home, right? So in our friend home, we have need to follow their right, their home rules regulation or not. If we follow our own rule regulation, their parent will kick out. Okay, their parent will kick us. Okay, and then they will tell, don't come to next time onward in our home. So and so whenever we are going to another home, people room, right, means home, so we have need to take care of what, we have need to take care of what, our friend home rule regulation or not. So same like, guys, same like here. So we can write the class, right? We can write in the normal core Java also, we are writing the class normal, we are writing that class. Okay na? So but Spring Container, think about that. This Spring Container is a one home, right? And what is that, this bean is our, see, this Spring Container is what, our, what is that, our friend room, home. And this Spring Bean, just think about the QB only, right? So whenever we will enter our right, our friend home, we have need to follow their rules regulation, right? So we have need to write such a way this bean, right, such a way this bean. So then what will happen now, this bean, it will accept our IOC container. Then after accepting that, right, then this operation will perform, right? After, if acceptance means acceptance will satisfy, our IOC container will accept this class, then this operation will happen. If our if we are not following this our Spring Container rules regulation, and we are writing the bean, then here error we will get. Okay, we will get error. Okay, so what is the Spring Bean rule given as, what is the Spring Bean rule is given? Let's see that. Okay, what is the Spring Bean rule is there, how we can design our what class, then that class we can say it as what, then that class we can say as what, Spring Bean class. Okay, then we can say that what, Spring Bean class. Okay, Spring Bean rules, right? Spring rules. Okay, what is that? First, okay na? So whenever we will write one class, right, whenever we will write one class, okay na, that class must be package statement, right? Class must be what, class must be, what is that, package statement. Okay, package statement, class must be what, must have package statement. What is that, package statement? Second rule is what, to whenever we will write the bean class, second rule is what, guys? What is the second rule? What is the second rule? Second rule is what, second rule is what, class must be public, because our IOC container, right, our container is running in what, out of what, our means our, we will write our class in a project, and we will deploy, whenever we will activate our IOC container, IOC container will run in what, outside. So we have need to follow the rule, right? So we have need to follow the rule to make the class, whenever we will write the class must be as what, class must be what, guys? Class must be what, public, right? Class must be what, class must be what, class must be public, class must be public type, right? The public type. Okay, so now, okay, fine. So next rule is what, guys? Next rule is what? Class having variable if existing type must. If we are taking, right, it's not meaning that there is no mandatory. Okay, na, in the class every time variable will be there. If variable is there, if we are declaring variable, right? If we are declaring the variable, then that variable must be private, right? Then that variable must be what, guys? Private. Like class, what is that? Class can have variable, right? Class can have variable if exist, right? If exist, if exist, right? Exist type, then must be what, private. Must be what, private, right? Private. This is the rule of what is that? Whatever data member we will write in what, whatever data member we will write in what, in bean class, right? In bean class must be private. The data variable, right? That data variable member must be what, private only, right? Private only. Okay, fine. Now, so okay, so another rule is what, guys? Another rule is what? Class must be have, right? This is the main important, guys, main very important concept. Okay, na? So now, okay, so whenever we will write, right, whenever we will write the bean class, right, whenever we will read the write the bean class, right? Fourth rule. Okay, fourth rule is what? Class, whenever we will write, class must have, right? Class must have what? Zero param constructor. Zero param constructor. If you not define the constructor, that is the default our JVM will create, right? Based on that class package name, sorry, class name, right? Class name. Okay, na? Based on that, what is that by default? What is that based on the class identifier, our JVM will generate. Or if you are writing explicitly, right, must be zero param constructor, because based on that zero param constructor only what, our IOC container will initialize what, our IOC container will initialize what, data member, right? Data member. So okay, okay. So now what is that class must? What is that class? Class must have default constructor with what is that? With what, set and get method. Set and what is that? Set and what, get method for every variable, right? So after that, okay, so now fine, okay. So in situation, some situation, right, some situation, like what is that? Class. Okay, if okay, if we extend what is that, Java, any what is a third party API, then our class we can't say, what is that, our class we can't say Spring Bean class. Okay, our class we can't say what is that, Spring Bean class. Okay, so, but one exceptional interface is there, right? One exceptional interface, serializable interface, right? Serializable interface we can implement in our what? Bean class, except if we like, what is that? Like servlet API is there. If we implement, right? Implement or extend, what is that? Any third party, then we can't say what is that? Bean, what is that? Spring Bean, right? Spring Bean. And we are what is that? We are destroying the bean sorry, we are destroying the what, bean rules. Okay, beans rules. Okay, So class, what is that? Class can extend, or implement, right? Or implements only what is that? Spring API. Spring API we can API. Spring API like classes or interface, right? Classes are what is that? Interfaces, right? Interface, and what is that? And what? One special, one special what? One special interface is allowed. Allowed, like for example, what is that? Java dot what? Java.io dot, right? Java.io dot serializable interface. Serializable interface. Okay, we can implement what is that? Serializable interface. That's it. Except that what is that? This is the interface only, right? This is the, if we follow this rule, then we can say, what is that? Then we can say only what is that? Our what is that? Java class as what? Bean sorry, our class as what? Bean class. Which one will accepted by whom? Spring container, right? Which one will accepted by whom? Spring container. Okay, okay, so now fine. So what is that? Like just I'm writing one class, okay? Just one, I'm writing one class, okay, na? Just I'm writing one class, guys, okay? So what is the class? What is the first rule, guys? What is the first rule? Package statement, right? Just calm dot, what is that? RK I'm giving, right? After then what is that? Class must be public. Class must be, what is that? Just I'm giving, what is that? Class employee, okay na? If there is no mandatory, if data member is there, right? If data member is there, then the data must be, what is that? Private, like what is that? Integer, what is that? Emp id, right? Emp id. After then what? Private string, what is that? emp name, right? Just to data member, okay? Then after then, if need, right? If need, then we can implement, what is that? Only one interface, guys. Only one implement. If need, then what is that? Implement what is that? Serializable interface, right? So after then, what is that? Zero param constructor. If we not define, our JVM will define what? Internally default constructor. Okay, na? But how many data member is there? But how many data member is there? One pair. What is that? Set get method also we have need to write. Okay, set get. Okay, don't worry, I will remove because of that set get. And why I'm stressing? Because today I'm going to explain what is that Lombok API. Lombok, right? Lombok. There I will reduce all those things. Okay, I will give each and everything. How we can install. First, we have need to install Lombok API, right? Then I will give each and every step, guys. Okay, we will reduce the boilerplate code. Okay, we will reduce what? Boilerplate code. Okay, so don't worry. Concentrate on theory. Concentrate on theory. Practical will become what? Easy. Practical will become what, guys? Easy now. Okay, so fine. So what is that? Set set and what is that? Get method, right? Set and what? Get method. Now fine, after then we can, some method is there in the java dot line dot object class, like what is that? We can override those method also, more methods also, okay na? In the bean class, what is that? Two string method, like what is that? Has what is that? Has has code, right? Has code method, right? Has code method. And another one is what? Another one is what? Equals method. These method, right? These method means what is that? Non-static, sorry, yeah, non-static, non-private, and non-final. Except whatever method is there in the Java.lang, that those method we can override in what? Our bean class, and we can say that what? We can say that what? This is the bean class. What is that? Yeah, yeah. You are raising the hand. Any issue? Any issue? You can ask. You can ask. Any problem now? Okay, so this is the rules. Okay, guys, this is the rules to write what? This is the rules to write what? Our bean classes, right? This is the rules of what? To write our what? Bean classes. Okay, now. So now fine, guys. So but what is that? What is that? So Spring Boot, in Spring Boot, I said that, right? But here we are learning what is that? Spring Boot only, right? So I said that in Spring Boot, right, guys? In Spring Boot, whenever we are working on Spring Boot, right? So there is a node, right? So in the Spring Boot, Ayodele, this is the core Java concept. Okay, has code of what? Our object identity and equals. We are checking that. Okay, don't worry. Whenever I will explain Lombok, there I will touch this concept. Okay, there the I will touch this concept. Okay, till now wait. Okay, so now fine, guys. So now this is the rule of what? To writing the bean. But what is that? Here I said that. But in Spring, whenever we are working on what? Spring, there and this one is work, right, guys? But in Spring Boot, there is no concept of what? XML configuration, right? XML configuration. Okay, so now fine. So whatever classes we are writing in Spring Boot, guys, okay? Whatever classes we are writing in Spring Boot, what is that? So we have need to configure, right? First we have need to configure also, right? Because here there is no XML configuration, right? There is no XML configuration. Java configuration is there, but not much. Okay, not much. Total we are developing the application using what? Annotation driven only. So for that, so let's understand what is that? How many, how much, how we can programmer defined classes. Okay, so like this is the what? This is the bean rule regulation. Just I taught guys what? The rule regulation, right? Bean rules, right? This is the bean rules to write the class. Means this is the what, guys? This is the explicit class. This is the develop class, right? So how we can denote in the what is that? How we can denote in what? In what? Means how we can use what annotation we will use to our IOC container will understand what is that. This is the developer classes. And same things, guys. Okay, so whenever we will move in what module, whenever we will move on what modules, both modules, at that time, at that time we will use what? We will enjoy our session as a what? Explicit, right? Explicit. Which one is given by whom? Which one is given by whom? Spring people beings, right? Like internal resource view resolver, whenever we are working in what? MVC. Okay, MVC. And whenever we will work on what? Mail API, in that mail is there, right? Mail sender interface is there. Those beans we are writing in the bean classes, right? So that is what? Explicit, right? That is the implicit classes, right? But these classes we are saying that what? Explicit. So how we can configure? Let's see that. Okay, now how? What kind of annotation we will use to configure our what? Explicit classes. Okay. So for that, I'm listing out what annotation, guys. Okay, I'm listing out what? Annotations, right? Annotations. So Spring configuration. Spring what? Spring configurations what? Spring configurations what? Annotation. Okay, I'm listing out all Spring configuration annotations, guys. Okay. Okay, so fine now. So fine. Okay, so okay, let's see that. Okay, okay, annotation configuration, programmer defined classes. If programmer if programmer define, right? If programmer defined class is there, right? So in those classes, which how many annotation? First annotation we can use, what is that? Component, guys. Each and every annotations I will give the explanation as a practical. Okay, I will make what is that much clarity about the subject. Okay, just we are there in the initial phase of what, just we are there in the what, initial phase of what, our application, right? Our what is that, spring boot application, sorry, spring boot, what is that, spring boot modules, right? Just means yesterday we started, right? Yesterday we introduction is happened, today we are starting what, spring boot main concept, right? Today we are starting what, spring boot main concept. And one more request, guys, until unless if I'm not saying what, session is over, right? Don't go anywhere, because you know I'm using what, Zoom meeting free only, it's giving 40 minutes. Okay, so please reconnect yourself if meeting is end. Okay, reconnect yourself with the same meeting ID. Okay, same meeting ID. Okay, so now, okay, at the rate component, another one is what, guys? Another one is what, guys? Value, right? At the rate, sorry, this is the at the rate component. Another one is what? At the rate value. At the rate value. Okay, okay, so third one is what? Third one, I will explain what is the meaning of where we will use each and even. Just I'm listing out all annotation here. Okay, guys. Okay, so just I'm listing out what all annotations here. Okay, so now what is that? Another one is what? At the rate auto wire. At the rate what? Auto wired. Okay, another one is what? Fourth one is what, guys? Fourth one is what? Configuration. At the rate, what is that? At the rate configuration property. Okay, so another one is what? Another one is what? So to define the scopes, right? To define the scopes of what, our beam. So for that, what is that? Scope. Scope annotation. Okay, so okay, if need, right? If need in our what, our application, in our application, if need, what is that? Predefined classes to use, what is that? Spring beans, right? Which one is already defined, which one is what, already defined, guys? Please mute yourself, someone is unmuted. Mangala. Okay, so now fine. Okay, so okay, so this is the programmer. If programmer is you creating any class, okay, programmer is creating a class, their programmer will use what, these annotations, right? These annotation. Okay, we will see the practical also, guys, don't worry. Okay, just okay, some little bit curiosity will be there. Okay na? Okay, just he explaining the annotation, but he is not giving clear picture where we can use it. Okay, we will see that. Okay, step to step we will learn, right? Step to step we will learn. Okay, so now fine, guys. Okay, so now another one is what, if Java configuration, right? If we are using, what is that, 1 minute, if we are using, what is that, any predefined, which predefined, what is that, classes which is given in what, spring framework, right? So for that, for those purpose, this annotation we will use, guys. Okay na? Like we are using, what is that, Java configuration, right? What is that? Java configuration. Java configuration, right? In the Java configuration, what is that? Like what is that? Predefined, what is that? Predefined classes, right? Predefined classes. In predefined classes, which kind in the Java configuration, whatever annotation we will use, those annotation I'm listing out, guys. Okay, what is that? First one is what? Configuration. If class, if we want to make the class as what, configuration class, which annotation we are using, guys? Configuration, right? At the rate, what is that? At the rate configuration. At the rate configuration. Second one is what? Second one is what? If if our classes is there in the different packages, right? So and we are using, what is that? Stereotype annotations, right? If we are using what? Stereotype annotation to scan those stereotype annotations. So for that, what is that? Component component scan, right? Scan annotation we are using, right? After then what is that? After then what, guys? Next one is what? Property source, right? To reading the property, to read the property in what? Our configuration file. To read the property in what? Our configuration file, right? So for that, which annotation we are using now? Which annotation? Property, right? Property source, right? After then whenever we are defining, right? Whenever we are defining what? Whenever we are defining our what one, whenever we are configuring the predefined bean, right? Predefined bean, which one is there in already, what is that, in Spring. So to tell to our IOC container, okay, this is the predefined class, you have to create the object of that bean, right? So for that, at the rate bean annotation we are applying on the top of that method, okay? Top of that method, okay? So now fine, guys. So now, okay, let's move on and let's understand what is that, uh, what is the use of component, what is the use of, what is that value, what is the use of at the rate auto wire configuration property, right? So now, okay, let's move on, guys. Let's move on and let's see that, okay? So at the rate component, what is that? It indicates to Spring container, right? Create the object, okay? And we have need to apply on the top of class. Just I'm giving one example, guys. What is that? So, okay. So just we are writing that. What is that? I'm writing what is that? One Spring class, right? Just I'm writing one Bean class, okay? Na? Just I'm writing what? One class, okay? So just think about that. This is what our class, okay? Public class. I'm writing what is the public class, what is that class name? I'm giving what is the employee. I'm giving what? The class name as what? Employee, right? Employee, just this one only. Okay. So to tell, okay, just we are writing this class, right? Our IOC container will not create the object of this class. Okay. Our IOC container, what is that? Our IOC container will not create the object. So whenever we will apply on the top of this class, right? What is that? At the rate component. Whenever we will apply on the top of what is that at the rate component annotation, then what will happen now in the Spring container? In the Spring container, guys, what is that? This is the Spring container, right? In the Spring container, what will happen now? What will happen now? First class, what is that? First, what is that? Class name will become what? Small letter, right? And one object will create inside that what? IOC container. And what is that? This object name will become what is that? Employee, right? Employee, okay? So means similar, okay? So just if you compare this one, okay, if you compare this class, right, as what? Normal core Java object, right? If you compare this object as what? Normal core Java object, it will look like this code, okay? It will look like this code, okay? What is that? Employee employee equal to what? New employee, right? Employee, like this, okay? Like this, what is that? Like this, our IOC container will internally will create, right? Our IOC container, this responsibility is not ours, okay? Whenever we are working on what? Any container or framework work, okay? So this responsibility is taken care by whom? IOC container. Already I explained here. What is that? See that? What is the creating the object? Here, just I'm giving what is that internally, what IOC container is doing, right? And what is that? First letter will become what is that? Small. Whenever IOC container will create a reference name, what is that, guys?